Yo, 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 what's the deal? It's your boy, KZKing, and I'm coming to you live with a beat making tutorial, or pretty much the process of how I make my beats. So, in this video, I started off with just picking a random sound just so I could lay the idea I had in my head out there. And I usually start with like a piano or something, just to really fill out the beat. And sometimes the sound that I start with isn't even gonna be the sound I end with, I just use it to lay it down. Then I duplicate it, pick a different sound. That's just so I can pan them and make that same harmony or chords or whatever it is. I just make it sound more full and in the background of the beat. Then I added another synth. Yeah, it usually takes me a couple tries because this is like the melody. But then I got to another instrument afterwards. And yeah, I use a lot of purity just because it's fast. Like, that's what I got set on my default. But if you guys want me to make some Logic stock plug-in sounds, I can do that as well. So now we got 4 instruments. And I'm ready to start on the drums. I start with my kick. And I kind of did this one a little bit out of order because usually I'll add my sub bass before my kick so I can make sure I side chain it once I add the kick in. Then I moved on the snares. And the step sequencer from Logic is actually pretty good. There's certain instruments that don't play all the way through though, and that may just be because of the sample. Get to my hi-hats. I was trying to do something a little bit different with the hi-hat rolls. And right now I'm just editing. Just want to show a little bit of the process. And right here is actually where I had to stop the video because I didn't have my 808 set up and I forgot. So I restarted it. But this is the 808 pattern right there. I'm just gonna edit it a little bit. You can hear that note sounds different. Yeah, I moved it over, and this is when I really get into detail as to how I make my intros and outros sound very different. So yeah, that's the tempo tool right there. That little blue marker, and then yeah, you just want to slide it. Get it to how you want it to sound. You can move it anyway, but you see how it makes the whole beat like start very slow and then speed up gradually to the tempo that you had it. And then this the real like extra stuff that I put on here. Using the touch like for your automation, it just makes it so where you can do it yourself manually while it's happening and it recorded. But you want to be careful though, because if you make a mistake, that is also going to be recorded. So you're going to have to like Command Z, restart it. And as you can see, this is just me just fine tuning it to how I want it to sound. I'm just testing out different sounds before I actually lock it in on a specific key change. And then I turn the touch on. You just make minimum edits. The other effect I use is this remix effect, which is kind of like a DJ mixer board. You get the same type of effects. And here I kind of did things backwards. If you use the filter effect, you want to make sure that you lock it first, so that way the automation is actually going to be there. So yeah, I try to go back and redo that right there, and then you'll see it actually looks different. And there we have it, folks. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share it. You know, it all means a lot to me, and I appreciate y'all. And I'll show you guys how to mix and master in the next one.